Hi everyone, I just want to give you a quick rundown on my new DeLonghi coffee maker which I got. It was about $120. I believe it's probably the simplest coffee maker on the planet to use. Alright, we got our attachment here. I don't know technology or any of this coffee stuff. A barista can tell you everything, but I've got a few roos loose in the top paddock, I think, so I'll just call it the scoop. Alright, so here we go. So we grab our coffee. I just get Victoria from Woolworths, but we put him in there with the attachment that comes with the machine. Very simple. Squash the coffee down so it's nice and tightly compacted in there. Then we put it into the machine. With the machine, you turn it on. There's a button at the side. You just turn him on. Wait for the green light to come on. You whack that in there, slide it under. I've got to get a smaller cup, but there you go, your cup goes in. You turn this to the left, no, to the right, sorry, and wait for the magic to happen. Over here I've got in another cup my milk, which I'm gonna froth to make a cappuccino. So you just wait till your coffee percolates and goes to the amount you want. In this cup I'll usually go to about halfway, and then I'll froth my milk. So as you can see, the coffee's going into the cup. I don't really want to change my tablet or it'll stuff up. But alright, that's perfect. So what I do, put it back to the center, take my cup out, set it to the side. On the side here you'll see the frother attachment. So you just turn your front switch to the left, put your milk in the steamer, turn this knob to the steam section. Doesn't take long, as you can see, the steam's frothing that milk up beautifully. And like I said, I'm no expert. We stop that. Pour the milk into the cup. Bada boom, bada bing. You have a lovely cup of coffee. There you go, that's how easy it is. So if you're looking for an easy coffee machine that makes it